Okay, let's have a look at our Strata management solution. Just a quick bit of information. I'm Derek, I'm from Dynamic Software Solutions. So Dynamic Software Solutions is a software distribution company, software development company. The dssolutions.net.au website covers all of our products. It's a fairly big offering. And to get specific about Strata management, we've gone with the product Dynamic Connect is the product name, and then we can go into the features and functionality around it. Little bit more history. We bought we acquired the Softlog Systems Australia product suite. That came with all of these great features and functionality. And what we've done is we've updated the user interfaces, we've taken some of the functionality up to the cloud, and we've updated substantially. So this is where Dynamic Connect comes from. It has a long history. Softlog was set up in 1986, I think it was. Australian developed company. We still have people from the Softlog company that have been working with the product for decades. So let me take you through the features and the functionality of the Strata management vertical product in particular. So what we have is the ability to, let me cover off. We take activities and information from the network or capture it from activities, things like from Outlook or from printers, from print streams. We capture those activities. We get the building code related to those activities. We apportion a cost to them and then send them off to the billing system for client billing. So whether you're running Property IQ or Strata Master or any of the other solutions, we support integration with all of those to bring building codes in to send transactions back out the other way. So we're not a Strata management solution. We're like a finance add-on that sits in the network and captures information for billing. So we capture email through Outlook email widget. So you type your email up, you send the email, we'll do a little pop-up and say what's the building code, you apportion the building code and off it goes. Very similar for telephone, except you finish your telephone call, you hang up, pop up on the screen, presents and says what's the building code, you put the building code in, so for billing for that. Print, file, print, set up your print job in the drivers and all the standard functionality that you expect with print. And then once you've submitted the job out to print and it's starting to print, then it'll pop up on the screen again, building code applied, and it's off for billing. For the copy and the scan functionality, these two little purple ones down the bottom, copy and scan, we do an MFP app. So whether you're running Ricoh's, Fujifilm, Fuji Xerox, Konica Minolta, Canons, all the different flavors of MFPs, we have a little app that you walk up, you put a PIN code in, super simple to log in so we know who you are, and then we can present the building codes. You put the building code in. According to the feature and functionality, varies between MFP a little bit, but the short of it is we capture the number of pages that are copied in a session, and then we apply that onto the building code, and it appears on the client invoice for billing. Very nice and simple, huh? For those that are running Bing Mail integrations that require a manual handling of the file, we can have the Bing Mail invoice sent to our email or sent to an email address that we monitor. We take the content, we strip it down, and we push it into the billing system again. So Bing Mail support, we can do sundries. So if you want to manually enter in, someone's done a meeting, someone's been doing certificates or notes or whatever free form activities you want captured, we have the ability. Simple interface, you can put in the building code, you can set up different cost codes, disbursements you might call them, for billing, and that can be, as I say, courier packages, could be attendance of meetings, could be meeting notes. So that is all managed through the system. And we can also import. So if you've got data from other systems that you want us to import in, a bit like Bing Mail, if you want us to bring in information, you want us to pull it apart and actually push it out to the billing system so it's itemized onto the client invoice, then we have that functionality. So this is one solution. It does all of this. It does some print management. We've got some advanced scanning functionality as well. So for the printing side of things, we can stop a print for releasing a print. That can drive down print within the organization. It can secure prints if you've got secure documents that need to be held and released before printing. The HR team might like it because, they can print off confidential documents to the big printer in the middle of the office and know that it's not just going to come out, but it will actually be stopped at the MFP, and then they can release when they're there so that they capture those confidential documents very easily. Some of the advanced scanning functionality we can do as well. We can intelligently read information off bills. So if you wanted to scan a stack of water bills and have the information captured as to the address and manually processed. So that might be outside of the scope of billing. It may just be streamlining that water bills are scanned into a client folder on the network. We can definitely help you with those kind of advanced scanning features. We can help you out with really simple scanning as well. You just want a really simple way of scanning to your email. That's becoming available for all the MFP manufacturers. As we update the interface for the Dynamic Connect platform, which, as you'll see, is here. It's now two options as far as the solution. You can run an on-premise solution and we can run a cloud solution. Slight variations in the features and the functionality that are available between both. The on-premise solution it's been around for 20 years, so it's got 20 years worth of custom coding and intelligence and settings and the rest. But if you want a very simple, don't want to put a server in, you just want a solution that can be hosted, we can help you with that as well. So Dynamic Connect is first and foremost about cloud platforms going forward, but we can support you in both of those areas ongoing for the Strata management vertical with the Dynamic Connect platform. So thanks for watching. Please don't hit the bell and subscribe, but send us an email in response to how you got this video in the first place. If you're interested, open a conversation and we can start working with our specialist team. They know Strata management, they know how you work, they know how you need to bill, and we can tailor a solution that is right for your organization. Thanks for watching.